union group of Buchanan Boys painted this slogan onto the rock base to commemorate Buchanan's enduring legacy. As we enter this section of the tracks, I would like to draw your attention to the right side of the train. Over the next few miles, we will be seeing many seasonal waterfalls, as we have been experiencing some extreme runoff these last weeks.
Angela, I'm already recording, so you just enjoy the view. Okay? Understand?
Another waterfall.
Where? Oh. Different from Yellowstone Park.
So different.
And it's different from Banff too.
Big Bend.
No, not Big Bend. Banff, Canada, original. Banff. It's different. And we have chance. We'll go there. Banff. It's sulfur, you know.